Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to resize a video in Canva. Let's get started. There are two methods you can use. The first one is quite straightforward. Simply upload the video, and then you can resize it by dragging the corners to adjust the size as needed. This is just a basic example of a simple way to do it. Now, let me delete this and move on to the next method. Now, let's explore the second method. You'll see options for Resize and Magic Resize. Please note that Magic Resize is a feature available only with Canva Pro. If you have a Canva Pro subscription, you will have access to this option. Here, you have several resize options, such as for Instagram, with a 1920 by 1080 pixel dimension. You can also create a custom aspect ratio if needed. So, you can type in your desired custom size. For this example, I'll use the Instagram ratio. I'll select Instagram Story and click on Continue. We can choose Copy and Resize, which will create a new document with the resized image. This option is useful if you want to keep the original image size intact in a separate file while working with the resized version. Now, you can position the video where you want it, adjust the background color, and add text to fit the new size. This way, you can post the entire video to your Instagram story or any other platform without cropping it. That's how you can resize a video in Canva. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.